presence of boys' love, a unique genre that depicts relationships between male characters, has increased significantly in recent years. While this genre itself originated in Japan, other Asian countries such as Thailand, Korea have since helped to popularize it. Here are 15 popular Korean boys' love movies to watch if you are a Korean drama fan looking to make your first foray into this genre. Number 1. Where Your Eyes Linger. Friendship evolves into something more between two high school students, a playful chaebol heir and the diligent bodyguard who's always by his side. This is a feel-good movie, a flicker that makes you happy and you will really feel wonderful after watching this movie. The plot is light-hearted with a few little punches here and there. The acting is really good and the chemistry between all of the actors contagious. There is a lot of non-verbal language used here that will make you in love with it so much. Overall, recommend this when you want to explore something away from the usual Thai boys love stuff. Number 2. To My Star. Actor Kang Seo-joon was once one of South Korea's biggest and most popular stars, but his career is now in decline. But despite his fall in popularity, he believes he has had a change of fortune when he meets and falls for a dashing young chef named Han Ji-woo. Despite having widely different personalities, the two begin a relationship. But their love comes under threat when the more conservative Han Ji-woo and the free-spirited Kang Seo-joon realize that their outlook on life, love and everything else appears irrevocably different. It is packed with very good storytelling and believable human acting. Excellent dialogues that help move the story along fast and furious, but it still does not feel rushed. The screen chemistry between the two main actors was palpable and very good. This flows much better as a movie than the series, but both are the same. Overall, a short and a heartwarming movie about mature characters for grown-up audience. Number 3. Summer Days. Love can be confusing, but it's never wrong. The Authority presents its first ever fashion film, a journey of discovery through Jeju Island in search of themselves and ultimately love. This series has common cliches, that is, best friend falling in love, but the story is told in a different way. The actors are legit perfect for the cast. It's amazing how in a few minutes and with no dialogues it can evoke the amount of emotions. Overall, a very short and a sweet film. Number 4. Color Rush. Being colorblind, Yeon-woo lives in a world of wearing shades of grey. He's aware that other colors do exist, but he never experienced them for himself. Woo's life is forever changed by meeting Yohan, whose many charms he has fallen for. In fact, he is overwhelmed by the unexpected rush of emotions and the sudden flashes of color that wash over his world whenever Han is close to him. The cinematography is superb, the plot intriguing and acting is top-notch, and the OST is amazing. Yeon-woo and Woo-han have found completeness in each other. There was a part each of them was looking to be found, and when they meet, that missing part was fulfilled. If you are a fantasy fan, then you will surely enjoy this show. Number 5. Method. A veteran actor and an idol are starring together in a play called Unchained. In the play, their characters become involved in a relationship, and as they rehearse, the distance between reality and fiction starts to get blurry. This is definitely an unusual story. It's about a veteran actor who has to work with a young and a bored idol. The characters they have to play are complicated, obsessed and lustful. And in the end, character emotions becomes their own and things get complicated. Overall, an amazing cast and acting, good storyline and a great movie. Number 6. Mr. Heart. Jin-won is a university freshman who has a talent for running marathons. Sang-ha, 1 year younger than Ji-won, is also a marathoner. Two runners start to find special feelings for each other. The story is sweet, the actors are very good and portray their characters well. Unlike other obsessive male leads, This guy shows persistence without any aggression, and this makes us to love him even more. All in all, an okay watch. Number 7. Night Flight. Three teenage boys who were once close friends grew apart when they reached high school. Youngju lives hiding his true sexual orientation. Jiwoo becomes the leader of the school gang, and Ji-taek an obsessive manga fan. Tired of the constant malicious bullying by Ji-won's gang, Ji-taek betrays them by disclosing that Youngju has loved Ji-won for years. Surrounded by an insecure boundary of the school and wounded by betrayals, the boys are driven into catastrophe. Number 8. Antique Bakery. As an heir to the family fortune, Jin-hyuk has money, looks, charm, everything except finding the love of his life. So he sets up a cake shop where women are sure to come. He hires Sun-woo, a talented pastrier who has had a crush on Jin-hyuk back in high school. Along with an ex-boxing champion, Ki-bum, and a clueless bodyguard, Soo-hyung, the four unique and handsome young men stir up the quiet neighborhood at their cake shop Antique. Although seemingly careless and happy, each of four men have unforgettable past that they are afraid to face, but their secrets slowly begin to unravel. Number 9. In Between Seasons. Mi-kyung lives apart from her husband and raises So-hyun, her high school-aged son. One day, So-hyun brings home his friend Young-jun to stay. A few years later, after completing his military service, So-hyun gets into an accident while on a trip with Young-jun and is hospitalized in critical condition. Soon after, Mi-kyung discovers a secret her son and Young-jun has been keeping from her. Number 10. Two Weddings and a Funeral. Yeojin is an obstetrician who dreams of adopting a baby with her lesbian lover Seo-young. Min-soo and Soo are a gay male couple. These two gay couples then become involved in a fake marriage to hide their homosexuality. Number 11. Step for You. Yoo-sang is a school newspaper journalist and wants to interview Jun-han for an article. Jun-han accepts it but wants Yoo-sang to practice dancing with him in return. As the practice goes on, Yoo-sang finds himself attracted to Jun-han. Number 12. As If You Whisper. While busking, Bum-soo falls for his fan Hyun-woo and realizes his musical identity. Producer Hae-jin wants Bum-soo to be a successful singer, but Bum-soo just wants to make good music. Number 13. Some More. Tired of repeated life and work, Dong-soo takes 3 days off and goes on a long-distance bike ride. Dong-soo, who was on a remote country road, fell into a ditch and hurt his leg while taking a call from the company. Dong-soo, who was dragging his injured leg around the road, found a farmhouse. With the help of the men who live in the farmhouse, Dong-soo stays there for a while. Number 14. You Make Me Dance. Song Shi-yeon is a university student who is majoring in contemporary dance. After a major row, he has been thrown out of the family home and is left with an emotional wound. He decides to pursue his ambition and ends up sharing a rooftop apartment with Jin Hong-seo. This cold but attentive man works as a debt collector for the lending firm Cha-Cha Capital and has abandoned his dream of becoming a pianist. As the duo forms a close bond, the affection of CEO Cha So-ryun and the jealousy of senior student Young Hoon threatens to derail their fledgling love story. Number 15. Hold Me. Yeon-ho and Jaemin's high school graduation day. Yeon-ho runs holding Jaemin's hand. Suddenly, Yeon-ho apologizes to Jaemin for no reason, but Jaemin replies to Yeon-ho with a confession. Can Yeon-ho answer Jaemin's courage? Which of these boys love movies do you recommend? Please let us know in the comments down below. Also, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.